everyone! Do you want to shed some weight but don't know how to? Are you tired of trying multiple solutions to lose weight? Well, this is why today I've got 3 simple and effective yoga asanas that can help you lose weight and maintain good physical and mental health. So let's start. The first pose is Veerbhadrasana, also called as the warrior pose. Now how to do it? Stand straight with your legs wide apart by a distance of at least 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right foot out by 90 degrees and left foot in by about 15 degrees. The heel of the right foot should be aligned to the center of the left foot. Inhaling, lift both arms sideways to shoulder height with your palms facing down and parallel to the ground. Exhaling, turn your head and look to your right hand and bend at the knees. Make sure your right knee and right ankle are forming a straight line and your knee does not go beyond the ankle. Adjust your left foot outwards to push your pelvis deeper into the pose. As you settle down in the yoga posture, stretch your arms further. Pull in your abdominal muscles to tone up the belly and to support your lower back. Hold this posture with the determination of a warrior for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhaling, straighten the right leg and come up. Exhaling, look to the center and bring your hands down from the sides. Repeat the yoga posture for the left side. Practice 2 rounds on each side. This pose will tone up the entire body, especially the thighs, arms and the back. It will also increase your stamina. For those with sedentary or desk jobs, this pose is especially for you guys. However, it is important to remember that people with knee pain or arthritis should perform the warrior pose with the support, or if the pain is too much, avoid it completely. Also avoid performing Veerbhadrasana if you have high blood pressure. The next pose is Utkat Asana, also called as the chair pose. This asana is a meditation on determination and perseverance as well as commitment. Now, how to do this pose? Stand on the mat with your feet hip width apart. You can also stand shoulder width apart and do this pose. Inhaling, raise your arms in front of you with palms facing downward. Exhaling, bend your knees and gently push your pelvis down as you sit in an imaginary chair. Ensure that your hands are parallel to the ground and length in your spine is maintained. Pull the abdomen in. Keep the knees in line with your toes. Keep breathing normally as you hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute. Inhaling, rise up. Exhaling, bring the arms down to either side of the body. Practice 2 to 3 rounds of this pose. Avoid this pose if you have arthritis, chronic knee pain, or an ankle sprain. This asana will tone up and strengthen the entire body as well as improve your balance. However, avoid this pose in case of arthritis, chronic knee pain, or an ankle sprain. The next pose is Setu Bandhasana, also called as the bridge pose. This pose has been modified for beginners. Now, how to do this pose? Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides and palms facing down. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the ground and hip width apart. Inhaling, lift your hips towards the ceiling while pressing your weight into your feet. Ensure that your thighs are parallel and your hands are either kept flat or clasped together under your body as you keep your body lifted. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Then release with an exhalation, slowly rolling your spine inch by inch down onto the mat. Try doing this pose for 3 rounds for optimal results. This pose strengthens the ankles, thighs, calves, and spine. It stretches the shoulders and chest and also reduces flat feet. This posture tones up the abdomen and strengthens your back and hips. It also massages and nourishes the thyroid gland, which releases the required hormones for better metabolism. And when metabolism is better, weight loss is faster. However, avoid this pose in cases of neck and shoulder injuries or sprains, ankle injuries or sprain, spinal, shoulder and hip surgeries, acute cervical spondylitis or herniated disc. Avoid in cases of high blood pressure, heart surgery patients, knee replacement surgery or severe osteoporosis. Avoid in case of abdominal hernias as well. Yoga is not just about physical fitness, it also has a positive impact on your mental health. Practicing yoga can help you deal with stress and anxiety and promote a sense of inner peace and calm. It's a holistic approach to wellness that focuses on the mind, body, and spirit. Plus, it's a low-impact form of exercise that can be done by people of all ages and fitness levels. So whether you want to lose weight, improve flexibility, or simply relax, yoga is an excellent choice. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try these poses at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.